the railroad for his orders, so he looked at some wind for the sailboat, and it could get 4 days. He looked at some wind for the sailboat, and it could get 4 days. If you get the railroad for his orders, and it could be 4 days. 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It could funky. It could be funky. It could be very fresh and clean. It could be a balloon. So these are the days, my friends. So these are the days, my friends. If you get some wind for the sailboat, and it could get 4 days. If you get the railroad for his workers, and it could be for his road. It could be a balloon. It could be funky. It could be very fresh and clean. All these are the days, my friends. And these are the days, my friends. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8.
Two lovers sat on a park bench, with their bodies touching each other, holding hands in the moonlight. There was silence between them. So profound was their love for each other, they needed no words to express it. And so they sat in silence on a park bench, with their bodies touching, holding hands in the moonlight. Did he spoke? Do you love me, John? Yes. You know I love you, darling. He replied. I love you more than tongue can tell. You are like my life, my sun, my star. You are my everything in the moonlight. Once more she spoke. How much do you love me, John? Yes, he answered. How much do I love you? How the stars shine. Measure the waters of the ocean with a teaspoon. Number the grains of sand on the seashore. Impossible, you say?